Hello everyone, this is Moshe, the Electric Israeli. Welcome to another video. And today's video is very interesting. I just saw on one of the financial networks an interesting interview with the CEO of ARK Innovation Fund. This is a fund that invests in stocks and companies of technology. And one of the top three holdings is Tesla. And she was responding to questions about electric cars in light of the Detroit Auto Show. As we know, Detroit and Michigan in general are very unfriendly to Tesla. You cannot buy a Tesla in Detroit or in the state of Michigan. There are very few public chargers. Anything that is threatening the establishment of the traditional car industry in Detroit is met with fierce resistance. And having said that, she was responding to the news of the traditional auto companies like Ford and Nissan and others who are putting tremendous amount, Volkswagen, tremendous amount of money into future electrifications of their fleet, which is very good news. But then she pointed out, by the way, her name is Catherine Wood, and she pointed out the three areas that Tesla has such a great advantage over the other traditional companies. The first one is their battery cyclical technology and production. As you remember, as you know, Tesla produced their own batteries. So they're not importing anything. They are producing in their gigafactory in Nevada. They're producing and using it for their own car. Their battery technology, as opposed to the traditional battery technology, which is called pouch technology, their cyclical technology at the beginning 10 years ago was made fun of. Like, you're going to put basically a car on top of a cell phone battery. But they're perfected their technology with their great innovation to a tremendous degree of proficiency, and the cost is rapidly coming down for battery technology with Tesla with Tesla manufacturing. So they have this amazing technology. The second one, very interesting, is the AI, artificial chip technology, that really puts Tesla 3 to 5 years ahead of everybody else, and where their improvement in AI is so rapid, it's so advanced that if Tesla moves ahead 3 to 5 years, the other companies move like 1 to 2 years ahead with AI, gathering information and autopiloting and all that amazing technology that will lead to future autonomous cars. But I think that the most interesting information, the most interesting advantage that Tesla has is miles driven. Data collected for miles driven by Tesla owners in the United States and throughout the world. Tesla already collected 10 billion miles worth of data. In fact, they collect 1 billion miles worth of data every quarter. So that is a staggering information. For example, Google, which uses Waymo technology, has 100 to 200 million miles of data. That's minuscule compared to the data that Tesla collects from their drivers, feeding information into the system, thus improving performance, autopiloting, and all that important technology that would later on lead to autonomous driving. So that was really interesting, I thought, these three areas of battery, artificial intelligence, and miles driven data collected. Tell me what you think about it. I'm really interested to know your point of view. It's very interesting to me. So I thought I would share this with you. I thought it was very interesting. So that's it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this little information session. So meanwhile, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and help me change the world one electric car at a time. And please support this channel by becoming a patron and or shop at my Electric Israeli store. And I'll see you tomorrow with another awesome video.